Magandang tanghali, beautiful people. I'm in Manila in the Philippines. Now, previously I showed you Makati City, the business area, the more upper class part of Manila. And today I want to go into a slightly different area. So I'm currently on the bridge over the Pasig River, which connects Makati City and Mandaluyong City, which is another part of the Metro Manila area. And by the way, you have a great view from here. Look at that. So Mandaluyong City is a more local area. Now this is not a lower class area, but it is certainly more authentic. I will show you. So in order to get a feeling for the local Filipino life, you have to get off of the main streets and into the smaller streets in the actual quarters of the city. Let's go. Hey.
Hey Joe!
Hey, shout out.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Konstantin, ako si Konstantin.
Constantine.
Ako si
Tino.
Jojo.
Constantino.
Do you
Constantino.
like drink?
Okay.
No, wag na yon.
My birthday.
Wag na yon.
My birthday.
My birthday.
Oh, congratulations.
Oh,
Your
do you
drink.
like my drink? Birthday.
Wag na yon.
Yun na.
Too early.
Birthday ka naman
Too
eh.
early.
One more, isang bottle.
Just want to get some exercise. Just want to get some exercise.
Exercise down.
I come back, okay? I come back later?
No, one bottle Grigor.
Just want some exercise. Later. Mamaya na lang. Okay? Bye-bye.
Antay ko, antay ah. Antay.
Hey. Shout out. Shout out. Hey. Hey.
Saan makikita yan?
Huh?
Saan makikita YouTube?
YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Kowe Travels. K-O-W-E.
Yes.
Okay, K-O-W-E travels. All right? Did you
Yeah.
find that?
Yes. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey. YouTube. Yeah. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hi.
Ano ang vlog?
Shout out YouTube. Hello. Hey.
Video ka?
Huh?
Video ka?
YouTube. YouTube video.
Hey! 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 Hello!
Hi. Hello.
Makikita tayo
Hi. Hello. You gotta love the kids here. It's so amazing. It's such a shame that apparently we all get less enthusiastic about life when we grow older. It's over 30 degrees during the day and the sun is out, so I'm sweating like crazy. Taxi? Can you bring me to BGC?
BGC.
Yeah? No? That's not possible. Okay. So I need a taxi for that?
Yeah.
Okay. But Makati, you can bring me to Makati? No? No?
For Mandaluyong only.
Just to the bridge, Mandaluyong, Makati. Just over the bridge. That's okay?
Hindi, no.
Huh? Oh, hi. Oh, you have a customer. Okay.
Mandaluyong bridge daw. Yan o, Mandaluyong bridge. Sa ulo.
Nahulo. Mandaluyong Bridge to Makati? Yeah? Magkano ito? 100? 100? Okay. Okay, we do. Let's ride a moto-taxi.
Awira Makati.
Makati Mandaluyong Bridge. Exactly. Yeah, here's a guy. Here's a guy. Slower. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Since I had been walking for quite a while and it was not getting cooler, I decided to take a moto-taxi. Now, hello.
Hello.
First time for me. Cool experience. I'm not sure if the price was local price, probably not. Paid 100 pesos for a 15-minute ride. But that's okay. It's absolutely okay. And I'm happy to be back at the bridge to Makati. And I can walk back to my hotel. So I'm actually glad that I'm a relatively short European, because these moto-taxi cabins are really tiny. Someone who's like 180 or something would not have a good time in those moto-taxis. So that was a glimpse into Mandaluyong city, considered probably a middle-class area here in the Philippines. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. I will post regularly here from the Philippines, so subscribe to not miss anything. Have a good day. Bye bye.